If you want to go back on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, if you use swipe gestures for navigation, then in that case you want to swipe from the left side of the screen towards the middle or from the right side of the screen towards the middle. If you try to go back, you will most likely see this arrow indicating that you are about to go back. And if you do this from the right side, you can also see the arrow being on the right side of the screen. So simple as that, just swipe like this. Of course, we can do this much quicker and you don't have to go that far. You can just, slide it just slightly. It doesn't have to be exactly to the middle of the screen, but towards the middle of the screen. And if you use buttons for navigation instead, then in that case you can just simply use this arrow that we have on the navigation. It can be positioned, of course, over here or on the right side, depending on these settings over here. But generally speaking, you can just tap on that button in order to go back to the previous page. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.